Hello students, today we are going to solve fourth numerical of superelevation. Question is given as a road is being designed for a speed of 110 km per hour on a horizontal curve with a superelevation of 8%. It means that the value of V is given as 110 km per hour and superelevation, that is small e, is given as 8%, that is 8 by 100. If the coefficient of side friction, that is lateral friction, is given as 0.10, it means that the value of small f will be equals to 0.10. The minimum radius of curve in meter required for safe vehicular movement is. Now we know the formula of superelevation, which will be equals to E plus F is equals to V square upon 127R. On putting the value of E as 8 by 100, F as 0.10, V as 110 upon 127R. On solving this, we will get the value of minimum radius of curve equals to 529.3 meter. That will be the final answer of this question. We had solved this question completely. Thank you very much, students.